here we simply have x to the negative sixth power, and if you are given some sort of direction, simplify or divide or rewrite or do this, well, what are you supposed to do with that? Some people like to leave that as their final answer, and the reality is we don't want to leave negative exponents in our answer. We want a matching universal way to write our answers so that when we compare with each other, we can be consistent, we can match, we could have a systematic way of doing things. And while there's a time and a place for negative exponents, this is neither the time nor the place. There is a 1 in front of this x, and there is another 1 in the denominator. I need to point something out here. Let's pretend this one over here is wearing shoes, like the little flat base on the bottom, and this one up here is just the little plain one, no bottom there. When we move this x to the negative sixth down and it becomes x to the sixth, the coefficients of this one over here and this one down over here, they have nothing to do with that. They stay as they are. Your coefficients don't flip-flop as well unless your coefficient also has a negative exponent. So that 1 is the same 1 that was there, and this one is the same one that was here, and down here in our denominator we now have an x to the positive sixth power. So this whole final answer will probably just be labeled as 1 over x to the sixth power, just sort of like that. So again, make sure you're aware of what's going on with the exponents. Not the exponents, the coefficients with these ones. If it's not a 1, if it's another number, you're making up your own rules. No one ever told you to move the 1 or the 2 in front or the 3 in front, even if it's negative. In fact, that has nothing to do with anything. A negative coefficient and a negative exponent, not the same thing. Not the same. So to see number 25, click that on the screen. To jump to the playlist, you could click that as well. Good luck fixing or finishing any of the other examples.